Okay, this road would be the test. This is the one I always have trouble on with this thing because it just darts all over the place. But got new tires on. Let's see how it does. I think it's going to do a lot better. I got the tires. God, they had 39 in them. Still jumping around a little bit here. But I dropped it down to 30.5. I usually run the old tires at 22 or 23. That is better though. Better it doesn't jump all over as much, but this road's so bad. Your wheels go on each side of that little groove. But it's better. It's going to be much better in the rain. I remember getting caught in the rain on this one time when it was new. The water just flew. You could see it streaming off the front wheels. Probably need some mud flaps. But it's better. It's not as dirty. With those old, what are those terrible tires they put on these things from the factory. I got rid of all of them. The front ones were the last to go. So it is better. I'm not paying attention as much as I used to. I don't know if it's recording. I can't tell. I got to look in these mirrors, but it is a much better. I'm not even paying attention on this road where I usually have to hold on and then make sure it doesn't shoot me across the road. But it's new tires are so much better. I'm not even paying attention now, and it's usually so bad on this road. But it's just all it takes is new front tires. Talk to you later. Oh, there we go. You know what else I noticed with these new tires? I'm going 55 miles an hour on the GPS. Well, 56. It's only 1 mile an hour off with these new tires. It used to be like 4. So 56, 57. That's not bad. The new tires make a big difference. They're just a little bit bigger. But it's never been that close before. If I go 60 here, I'm going a lot faster there. So that's pretty cool. Bye.